Neeraj Gupta, and this is my modular theatre. We have installed the Hospedia light around a year back. So regarding about this Hospedia light, so I have experienced some international quality in this light. The arms of this light, they are very smooth to operate, very easy to adjust, and the illumination is very excellent. The light they are giving is absolutely a shadowless light with a temperature control. We are not feeling very heat when we are working for long hours under this surgery, and during the surgery also we can adjust the illumination as per our requirement and the setting. Usually what happens in most of the light, they keep on moving gradually the light shadows goes off the beam. But the very good quality in this Hospedia is once we have set this light up to here, it will remain here. So there is no difference in the international quality and the Hospedia light. So I am very much satisfied with the quality, and moreover the Hospedia team, they are very professional. The moment if any issues, though I haven't experienced any major issue, the moment any issue we face in the light, immediately the qualified person comes in and they take up that very seriously and very quickly, and I'm very satisfied with their services. Thank you.